我们的工厂有30到50年的生产和技术经验，均为中国的行业第一和前3。研发团队50人以上，专业销售工程师12名，售后工程师40人以上。在印度设立了全球的售后服务中心，所以您不用担心技术和售后问题。我们的目标是将中国试制成功的生产线搬到您的工厂，协助你成为当地国家的第1或者前10。
When you consider how to make houseware and home appliance, here you have solutions. Aluminum utensils and cookware like top, fish pan, and also stainless steel chip ply cookware sets. Impact bonding pots. Pressure cooker in Indian market. Rice cooker. Also you can make 4 series cookware. You can send us your product samples and drawings. We can make solutions and turnkey projects for you. Since 2018, servo motor type hydraulic pressing machine has become very popular. Compared to the standard type, it can help you to save about 25% to 30% energy. Servo motor type is full running when you're making a pot, but when you're loading and unloading the pot, it will run very slow.
Latest model 6500s with 4 servo motors will get faster production.
Look, here will be your cookware automatic production line. The capacity is about 240 to 300 pieces per hour. to our metalware washing line. This is for stainless steel pots and pans degreasing after deep drawing and removing after polishing. Also, it is for aluminum pots degreasing and milk whitewashing. Our engineer Huang is responsible for washing line after sales service. He has gone to over 8 countries to help our customers like India, Thailand, Russia, Algeria, Saudi Arabic, etc.
而家自動化已經係成為一個趨勢，我哋嘅清洗線令到為客提高嗰個產量節能，增加嗰個客戶嘅效率。
Now we are coming to the rotary 10 stations auto outer polisher. The capacity is 3 pieces per minute, about 180 pieces per hour. It can make the effect uniform finish and help you to save 9 workers.
industry and 56 years experience in machining. Give me your challenges and we give you the solution. Succeed with us.
All processes will be tested for pre-acceptance. We'll double confirm your production line in material, machineries, molds, and accessories by trial production.
large fry pan. The diameter is 26 centimeter. The first fry pan is very hot this year. The delivery day is up to August. Let's look at how to make it.
I'm Judy from Sunglory. Manager Liu, he mainly responsible for the quality and after-sales service. He ever gone to 15 countries, served for 50 customers. So he lead the manager team personally to serve you.
大家好，我是刘永开，很开心能在这里认识你们。我们公司的产品非常好，已经出口了很多国家，然后很期待有机会到你们的国家去服务，我会带团队到你们国家去调试的。谢谢大家。